Working from home and working for long hours has become a norm for most of us. But as a result, many people are going through a lot of stress, anxiety, negativity, and depression. But there is a solution to it, and it's scientifically proven. Few years back, Harvard Medical School has done this research. What is the best way to overcome negativity, anger, frustration, stress, and anxiety? And they have found that practicing gratitude is the easiest, simplest, and the scientific way of overcoming these negative emotions. And I am Ajaya Mishra, India's leading life coach and success mentor. I am inviting you to join me in a 7 days gratitude journey where I'll teach you the powerful, simple, and practical way of applying gratitude in all areas of life, which will not just help you become a happier and a positive person, but it will become a game changer in your productivity, in your transformation as well. So far, I have helped hundreds and thousands of people in transforming their lives. Now you can join the journey with me. If you are ready for it, if you are ready to enhance your positivity, if you are ready to enhance your happiness, if you are ready to enhance your productivity in the happiest way possible, the scientific way, then hit the sign up button. Join me in this 7 days gratitude journey right now. See you in the gratitude program.